Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by here, you are most definitely welcome. My name is Mami Abna and I make beauty related video. So in today's video, as you may see, we'll be doing this hairstyle that's cornrow with some curly ends, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this. It's so simple. So all you need is your wig cap, and I've already placed this on my mannequin. You need a glue stick and glue gun, straw, crochet pins, scissors, hair nets, thread and needle, and of course your braided hair for the cornrow side. You would also need some pre-curled hair to save time, and I use braiding hair to do this one. First of all, to begin, you have to sew on the closure net onto the wig cap like so, and then we are going to start placing the braided cornrow onto the closure net. By placing the pre-braided cornrow on the net, I'm trying to align them and know as and when to place or where to place the cornrows, or how I want the cornrows to be placed on the mannequin head. Yes, if that makes sense. So I'm using these push pins to kind of help me or guide me know where I'm supposed to pin the hair. I'm going to go ahead and hit my glue gun and start melting it onto the hair. So here I'm going to place some hot glue on my pre-braided hair like so, and once I'm done, I'm going to place it back on my mannequin. And by doing this, you have to be really careful because the glue gun is very hot, and also make sure that you are placing it really directly onto the closure net, and then you press it firmly to make sure that everything is in place. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to move on to the second one and repeat the same process.